Hello there. Welcome to the basic demonstration of how to use the foreclosure reporting system, currently serving Cumberland County, North Carolina. As you know, this is a system that provides pre-foreclosure data within days of becoming available at the courthouse. The way it works is that every week you will receive a list of properties that have recently had foreclosure action filed against them within days of showing up on the shelves at the courthouse. It takes the format of an email that has an Excel file in it. I have here for your review a sample email that you would receive if you were enrolled in our program. Basically, if you have the full program including the Google Earth support, you will receive 2 files. I'll go ahead and save both files to the desktop now to be able to continue our demonstration. So those 2 files basically represent your weekly submission. In the Excel file, basically you'll be shown, you will have a list of however many properties were filed the week before. We will provide everything that has been filed on to you so that you can do your real estate strategy with however you interact with pre-foreclosures, to include investing, or if you're a realtor, you can use this information to do appropriate marketing to help these folks get out of the trouble that they're currently in. Okay, so as far as the data is concerned, we provide the following information. We provide the date filed, we provide the SP number, which stands for Special Proceedings Number, which is the foreclosure file number at the courthouse. We provide the foreclosing attorney that is handling the file. We also provide mortgage information. So everything under that yellow highlighted header is mortgage information. So the first name, the last name, if there's a second owner on title, there's the first name, last name on the mortgage, as well as the deed of trust book and page, the date the mortgage was taken out, as well as the deed of trust amount. We also have the street address, city, state, and zip for the property that is associated with the mortgage, as well as an available phone number for the mortgagor if it's available through any of the publicly available resources for phone numbers. We also interact with the tax information on the property, so we also cross-reference that with the owner's name on title with the tax office. We give you the deed book and deed page of that last sale for that property, as well as the sale amount. And most importantly, we provide you with the owner's address. In the case that it's a rental property, the owner's mailing address will be different than the property address for the house in foreclosure. And we provide those both to you. So you can use a mail merge to basically interact with this data to be able to mail to the addresses here if that is your preference. We also provide you with the square footage of the property, the year it was built, as well as the beds and bathrooms, so you can determine very quickly whether or not it's a prospect that you wish to go after. And finally, we also give you the tax appraised value of the property, so you can compare that against the sale amount and against the deed of trust amount to determine whether or not it's a prospect that is worthy of your attention and fits your criteria to go after them. I also now want to switch over to the Google Earth to show you what can be done there. Basically, what we do with Google Earth is we give you the ability to track those properties. The same information that was received through the Excel file can now be graphically displayed. And basically what you have the ability to do is click on any one of these items and they present the same information that was available through the Excel file. So you can systematically determine whether or not a property is in the part of town or in the area that you wish to target. Something else that's really interesting about this, you'll notice that this is red 4. We have a color coding system based on the week and the month that a foreclosure batch actually came through. And I will just quickly show you here what we have done with other weeks. The power of visually tracking the information gives you the ability to basically track over time what has been filed on over the period of time. So as you can see, this was all that has been filed since the 11th of March in the county, and all of the data is available and can be referenced. And you can basically layer and track through time visually what's going on with foreclosures by week, and we've created a bit of a nomenclature system that allows you to be able to very quickly reference that. That basically completes our discussion of the general overview. There will be further videos to train you how to optimize your research and target specific processes and prospects using this system. Again, I appreciate your time and your attention. For more subscription information, currently this program costs $79 a month with a $10 upgrade for the Google Earth support. And I appreciate your time. If you're interested in subscribing, please send an email to support@reportforeclosure.com or visit us online at reportforeclosure.com. Thank you so much, and have a very fortunate and prosperous investing career.